A social media manager is able to aid in increasing the customer base and demand, in addition to helping to predict the longevity of the product in its prospective market. He or she is also able to analyse and understand the market trends. Furthermore, notice the kind of sites frequently visited by users. Engaging in advertising over social media networking also helps in improving the business profile of the advertiser. Social marketing not only can increase the number of clients, but also goes to a great extent in increasing the visibility of the brand. Apart from gathering followers, a social media manager is also able to discover leads which could generate business for the brand. Various social networking sites such as Facebook, LinkedIn, Pinterest and Twitter include a plethora of users who use these sites for both professional and personal networks. If you're wondering what it takes to become a social media manager, you must be prepared to have an open mind and willingness to learn. In truth, with dedication and hard work, the task to become an expert at this area is relatively simple. Here is an overview of what a social media manager must do. The responsibilities of a social media manager would consist of developing and implementing a social strategy, which revolves around monitoring the activities of a business over these networking sites. Then, of course, run various campaigns which fit the product needs. He or she is also responsible for posting on social media, posting details of products and business features which would be shared with a target audience, and also raising the number of potential users on a regular basis. The manager would be in charge of posting blogs and snippets about the products and services offered. There are various platforms that could be used for social selling, such as YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and Instagram. Apart from understanding the end users, it is also essential for the social media manager to be familiar with various types of businesses. This assists in applying creative tactics in advertising that fall in line with the type of business. Knowledge about the technicalities of your company's product or a product line is also a secret to success. Most of the social media managers, despite their expertise in product knowledge, are not able to deliver the best because of their inexperience in the field of technical knowledge in running social network campaigns. The social media business is open for experts who have an in-depth understanding of not only the nuances of the internet and its users, but also the details of the firm and products which are to be marketed by the company. Apart from that, it is important to know all about the forums on which the services can be advertised, as this boosts the customer base through the diverse factions of people who could be potential clients for the product. He or she is also responsible in initiating conversation amongst customers to retain customer loyalty. As a social media manager, you have an in-depth understanding of the vision, online presence, practices, and pricing policies adopted by the company. In short, your essential duties will include managing social media marketing campaigns, create, curate, and manage all published content, no matter whether these are images, video, or written content.